Welcome back to Squawk Box. We are expecting a lower open for the Korean markets this morning, but I'm watching Lotte Group shares in particular. Shin Dong-min, the Lotte Group chairman and Lotte Holdings vice chairman, is said to be looking at a IPO in Japan to improve governance and bring reform within the Lotte Group to separate its management structure from the ongoing power struggle between the two brothers at Lotte. This is officially going to be discussed after the IPO of Hotel Lotte in Korea. This is pretty much the holdings company of Lotte. So after this is out of the way, the IPO is expected for the first half of next year. So after this IPO, the Japan IPO will be discussed at this point. An IPO of Lotte Group in Korea and Japan is expected to improve transparency and also, again, separate ownership from management, which is the biggest concern for analysts at this time. The Japanese Lotte IPO actually, if it does happen, this would be the first major confectionery company IPO in Japan since Calbee in 2011. So this will be a big deal if it happens. So I'll be watching for a reaction on this news in the Korean markets. Also, I'll be watching construction names with Dongbu Construction, which was down more than 25% yesterday on news that negotiations to sell off Dongbu Construction fell through, and the Seoul Central District Court, which is trying to sell off Dongbu Construction, which had been in talks with Pine Tree Asset Management, has said that the final round of negotiations fell through. Pine Tree Asset Management was a preferred bidder. Right now, there are no bidders at this point, so I'll be watching for further reaction on this name. And also, autos and electric car battery makers will be in the focus, with Korea's Ministry of Trade announcing a plan to have more than 1 million eco-friendly cars on the roads by 2020. We'll bring you the opening numbers for Seoul and Tokyo when Squawk Box returns. Stay with us.